What is going on? This is your mentor Sbu from FOREX&YOU. Today's video will be focusing on the part 2 of the video. So this is basically beginner strategy. So right now we have our channel. This is a downtrending channel. So what's very important is to notice your trend, as a trader, because that is very important. It separates you from buying a selling market. It's very important to highlight a few of the things. So let me just quickly draw my trend right there. We are getting there, so let me just draw the last downtrending price, and from this point the price will break out. So what happens when the price break out? Is it change of structure? Is it a change of a trend? Let's get to it. So this is what we normally anticipate. This is what the price normally does. Whenever the price breaks a channel, it always makes sure that it comes back to retest that channel. A lot of people might call it the last kiss. I don't know. Anything works as long as you understand it, So this is where the price respected the channel. This is where it did not respect the channel. So does it mean when the price breaks the channel, is it a change of market structure or change of trend? I personally think it's a change of trend. I don't know about market structure, but it could be a change of trend. So to be simple, to understand the market structure, okay, as you can see, these are all respected areas. 1, 2, 3. So bear in mind, guys, not everything that I've drawn like this looks that clear to the market. You obviously do have fake outs. You obviously do have spikes, that are not really much respecting the channel, but the overall direction would be a sell. So as you can see, price never respected this level right here. We broke, retest, and we went up. Some people might call it break, retest, and continuation, but just to make it simple and just to make you understand, that was a break, retest, and up, right? Break and retest. So a break simply means a break of trend, right? That's where we break our trend, and that's where we come back to retest or come back to fill in the orders, and then we continue up. So this will be quite interesting because rumor has it you need to trade against the trend, but I really don't understand that perception, trading against the trend. Rather trade with the trend, not against the trend. So this is our uptrending market or uptrending trend. This is where the price is literally skyrocketing. This is when maybe currency or a stock is doing good and the numbers, they just rise up. So as you can see, this is the breaking of price. So a breaking of price indicates that the price is actually declining. Could be of fundamental aspects, but this is where the price declines. So usually what happens when the price declines is it usually tests the nearest demand, tests the nearest demand, and then it goes up just to respect the trend line, and then it continues with the direction. So this might be an indication of a different type of a trend, or forming a different type of a trend. So let me just highlight where the price respected the trend. As you can see, a lot of retail traders or anybody that would be investing in the market would be looking forward towards buying this trend right there. It was positive results by this higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. So the more the trend indicates higher lows or higher highs, it's just a confirmation, a positive confirmation of it's really a trend. It's really an uptrend. So this is how the price will likely to play out, having an impulsive move, correction, and continuation. It is not as clear as that breakup that we just drawn, right? So this is how price will literally has a possibility of playing out, just to gain more steam, just to break that channel, right? Or just to impulsive move and then break the channel, retest the channel, and then obviously correct that channel and continue the direction. Or it can form a double top, or it can have an impulsive move with no retest and just tank, or to have a double top, right? This is what can happen. As you can see, a double top is an M formation, right? So now that we've covered both our trends, the uptrend and the downtrend, it's time for us to look at the sideways market. I think this is one of the most important markets that a lot of people don't necessarily focus on, because this is where investors or retail traders lose most of their capital because of not understanding the sideways market. And sometimes the sideways market can happen for quite some time. A channel can happen for quite some time, and as a retail trader, you might be looking forward to the continuation of the trend, but a sideways market can still takes up a bit of time to mature, and then it can finally break out. So as you can see, the market is nicely bouncing up and down. We call this a ranging market. So this will be an indication of our breakout, and a retest will likely to be as clear as possible as retesting any support or resistance. I believe price doesn't really play out as clean as the way we've just indicated, because you need to understand there's a whole lot of fundamentals that are going on, such as the governments, politics, the weather, public health, prices of food. So basically everything influences the market. It's like an indication of what to expect on the price, As you can see, we had a ranging channel, and then we had an impulsive move to the downside, correction, and continuation. Or the price can slightly get back to your support or your resistance line, which was later converted to a support line, and then it can mislead a lot of traders thinking that the price is buying from that moment. But it's just an indication of the market like literally stop hunting, or there's other key factors that we look upon too, that will be discussed in the part 3 of the video. Things such as your base candles, that will give you an indication of is the price going to come back to this level, to the base candle, because these are candles the price usually respects the most, or the price can literally consolidate before it actually breaks to the downside impulsively. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Switch on the notification bell so that whenever the channel drops or uploads, you're being notified. This is your mentor Swoo from FOREX&YOU, signing out.
People in the world are the ones who've had the most failures. J.K. Rowling, who wrote Harry Potter. Her first Harry Potter book was rejected 12 times before it was finally published. Michael Jordan was cut from his high school basketball team. He lost hundreds of games and missed thousands of shots during his career. But he once said, "I have failed over and over and over again in my life, and that's why I succeed." These people succeeded because they understood that you can't let your failures define you. You have to let your failures teach you. You have to let them show you what to do differently the next time.